If you are struggling with stubborn snoring and sleep apnea, then here is a solution. You're about to learn easy throat exercises that cure your stubborn snoring in 3 minutes. Most people heal their snoring in just a few minutes per day using these powerful throat exercises. And they are so easy. Anybody can do these throat exercises, no matter age or physical shape. And you need no extra gadgets. Best of all, you can do them almost anywhere, while stuck on a red light or watching TV. They have already helped thousands of people worldwide. To learn more and test drive the easy snoring and sleep apnea exercises for yourself, check the link in description.